How to reduce the size of JPEG images, the size occupied on the disk. So I have a lot of JPEG images here and just one photo occupies 7 megabyte. To reduce the size occupied on the disk, we can reduce either the quality of the image, we can reduce the resolution of the image, or we can reduce both of them, the quality and the resolution, and in that case we will have the smallest file size and the worst quality. Okay, to cut to the chase, the best option is to reduce only the quality. So higher resolution and lower quality is the best option. Okay, so let's see how to do that. I will use FastStone image viewer. So it's FastStone image viewer. The resolution is 6000 by 4000 of this image. And to reduce only the quality, let's go to File, Save As. And here's the quality, it's on 89. And let's go to Options. And with this quality, instead of 7 megabytes, we will have only 5.8 megabytes. If we reduce it to, let's say, 30, the quality, the new file size will be 1.4 megabytes. And we can see, let's say here there's text. If I press this one, it will put the modified image over the original image. So we can see how much we lost. So that's the modified and that's the original. Take a look at here. Okay, so the quality loss is not great at all. We can further reduce it to, let's say, 20 and then press this green button again. So the quality is getting lower, but the text is still visible. And if we reduce it to only 10, instead of 7 megabytes, we will have only 600 kilobytes. But the quality is getting lower and lower. Let's use only 14. Okay, so in this case we reduced the quality and kept the resolution. So click OK, the quality is lower, and let's type in there quality because we reduced the quality, and save. Close this image. So there's the image with the lower quality but same resolution. Okay, if we open it and in this case go to edit and resize resample, and instead of 6000 type in 1920 and close it with OK, and save it with the same quality 89, but in this case we reduce the resolution. Type in that one into the file name, save and close it. Okay, so the file size is roughly the same. The first one has lower quality and the second one has lower resolution. Now let's compare them. If we start FastStone viewer and press enter on this screen, let's select both of them, the lower quality and the lower resolution, and press P on the keyboard. P from Peter. Okay, and lower resolution only 1920 and low quality but high resolution. If we zoom in, the size will not be exactly the same because the pixel size is different. But which one can you read better? The lower quality but high resolution, or the lower resolution but high quality? You can read it better here. So keep the resolution and lower the quality because it's the same file size, 800-ish kilobytes, but you can still see more detail on this image compared to that image. Okay, if you reduce both of them, both the resolution and the quality, you will see even less. Okay, so the conclusion is lower the quality and keep the resolution, and the file size would be much smaller.